must admit that at this point in my life I can count myself as very blessed. I have my health, some relative talent, a great mother and nice friends. So let's talk about dreams, aspirations and reality for a moment. Some of us are blessed and some more than others. I count myself among the latter. Most of us trundle through life just surviving, whilst others live opulent lifestyles. For most of us, however, we get by and make do with what we have, and are usually quite content with that. Some of us have, for instance, a Casio or a Seiko watch, whilst others own Rolexes and fancy cars. Most of us would be perfectly happy with a beautiful, well-made and reliable Seiko GMT. It's sturdy, stylish, accurate and basically just a great companion. It's the kind of watch that keeps our lives ticking smoothly day in and day out. But deep down, a lot of us have that dream of aspiring to and possibly one day owning a Rolex. You know, that symbol of achievement and excellence. The Seiko GMT is like a reliable friend who's always there for you. It's practical, affordable, and beautiful in its own right. It's kind of like driving a dependable Toyota. It might not turn every head, but it never lets you down. And then there's the Rolex. Just like the Seiko, it tells the exact same time. 3 o'clock is 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock is 5 o'clock. But unlike the Seiko, this watch is a masterpiece. It makes you feel good owning it, handling it, wearing it. It represents the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship. It's like, you could call it the Ferrari of watches, making a statement wherever it goes. They say that you are only 5 people away from meeting the person you are looking for, like a celebrity or another well-known figure. And in my case, it was actually just one. That one person that I knew that knew that other one person who would help enable me to realize a bit of a dream. The dream of using the Ferrari of art supplies. Imagine affordable pencils as your Seiko GMT. They're trustworthy, colorful, and within reach of most of us. They bring joy to our everyday sketches and add a splash of color to our world. Affordable pencils provide a good range of colors, a decent pigmentation. They're like the everyday heroes of the art world. Accessible, reliable, and always ready to bring your ideas to life. While they might not be that far apart from the top of the range in terms of functionality, there is that last bit of difference in the top of the line pencils, in how they lay down on paper, how they feel, and how they make you feel when you are using them, just like the Rolex. They exude quality in their manufacture and in the materials used. So, this brings us to the Faber-Castell Polychromos. They were kindly supplied by Faber-Castell South Africa for me to take for a spin, so to speak. These can be aligned with the Rolexes of pencils. They're not just tools, they are a testament to artistry, achievement, and dedication. Using them feels like a special occasion, each stroke filled with the intention of beauty. I'm not suggesting that at this level they are the best pencils ever produced, just like the Rolex, which is possibly not the best watch ever produced. They do, however, give you the satisfaction of knowing you are in the best company of pencils. Top of the range, best in class, and superior are just some of the words I can find to describe them. These Faber-Castell Polychromos pencils are crafted with the finest pigments, ensuring that your art shines with vibrant, long-lasting, and crucially color-fast colors. Blending with these pencils is so smooth and almost endless. It's like buttering a toast with a gold-plated knife, as opposed to with your finger. They are the choice for those who seek perfection and beauty in every detail. Not am I by any means suggesting that lesser grade pencils won't enable you to create stunning artwork. Far from it, in fact, as can be seen by some of my previous attempts. What I am suggesting, however, is that using these, you will feel good, knowing you have some of the best materials in your hands and you basically need to look no further. So, just as the Seiko GMT keeps you grounded and on time, affordable pencils keep your creativity alive without breaking the bank. But If you're dreaming of reaching new heights and expressing your art with the utmost clarity and brilliance, Polychromos pencils are the way to go. It's like the difference between a steady ride in a trusted car and a breathtaking journey in a luxury sports car. Whether you're capturing a fleeting moment of inspiration or crafting a masterpiece, there's a pencil for every heart and every hand. Affordable pencils are perfect for everyday artists, while Polychromos pencils are for those moments when you want to pour your soul into your art and let it shine and know it'll last a very long time without fading. So, there you have it. Both the Seiko GMT and the Rolex, just like affordable pencils and Polychromos, have their unique place in our lives. Each brings joy, each serves a purpose, and each can be part of your artistic journey. So if you're looking for the ultimate feel and luxury, then the Polychromos are surely the way to go. Thanks again to Faber-Castell South Africa, who kindly sent me these pencils, and for joining me in this exploration. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Keep your pencils sharp, your creativity flowing, and always strive for beauty in every stroke.